What's good, everybody? Bargain Brother with you in the bargain basement, your prize winning penny pincher and chief of being cheap. And in this video, we're going to divert a little bit from what we normally do, which is telling you how to save or make a buck or two or more. Today is all about motivating you. It's Wake Up Wednesday. So we're going to talk a little bit about you pushing yourself forward. But before we do, if you find value in this content, please consider walking on the like button, subscribing so we can keep in touch, and sharing this video. It will help more people find out about me and help me share my message with a larger audience. I really appreciate that, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So let's jump right into the subject. Normally, when I come on here, I talk about ways to save money. I talk about side hustles, real estate, the stock market, credit cards, just ways to make money, ways to save money. Today, let's divert just a little bit. Let's take a break out and talk about a little mental health. In your ascension as a business owner, or whether you're just doing a side hustle, or just trying to figure out how to improve your credit so you can get better terms on that car you buy, or that home that you're going to purchase, let's talk about being your own cheerleader. Now, let's face it, there's a lot of negativity in the world, and many people focus on that, but I want you to take a moment to focus on anything positive going on with you, and then be truthful as well. If you didn't give your all today, you can be truthful with yourself and say, well, I didn't give my all today, but tomorrow I'm going for it. I'm going full blast 100%. Or if you had small incremental progress in something you've been working on, small incremental progress is still progress. So give yourself a pat on the back. Learn to be your own cheerleader, because there are enough haters out there. Don't contribute to that. I have up days, I have down days, but I will not sit up there and beat myself up. I'll be honest and give myself definite constructive criticism when I'm doing something that I shouldn't be doing, or not living up to expectations or criteria that I've set for myself. But at the same time, I'm going to take the time to give myself a pat on the back when I'm doing something well. So that's all this video is really about. Give yourself a pat on the back. Be your own cheerleader. Learn to love yourself, because there's plenty of haters out there. And I hope that this reached someone that needed to hear it. I'm definitely open to talking about it further in future videos, and I probably will visit it, because I think mental health is very overlooked. So I hope this reached someone that needed to hear it. Be your own cheerleader. Give yourself a pat on the back, and attaboy. Treat yourself to something nice if you've been working your butt off, even if you haven't gotten the returns that you want yet. If you know you're putting the work out there, it's gonna come. So give yourself a big hand clap. And no matter how you get to the peak of that mountain, whether you take the elevator or the stairs, it does not matter as long as you get there. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video.